We will start with the applications of biotechnology. We are seeing the chapter biotechnology. Okay, biotechnology applications. What is the meaning of applications? Applications means use of biotechnology. Where we can use the biotechnology? Biotechnology can be used in different fields. See, these are the four fields mentioned over here. Okay, first field is healthcare biotechnology. Second one is agriculture. Third one is gene therapy and genetically modified plants, GMOs. Okay, so applications of biotechnology means here we are going to study where biotechnology is useful or where it is applied. Okay, let's see the first that is healthcare biotechnology. Now, what is the meaning of healthcare biotechnology? See, healthcare biotechnology means when the biotechnology is used in medical field. Okay, when the biotechnology is used in medical field, this is called as healthcare biotechnology. Is this clear to you? Okay, now what type of medical field? For example, we have to do organ transplant. Okay, for the preparation of forensic medicine. Okay, for gene probe means markers. If we have to make the gene markers, then also biotechnology is useful. For genetic fingerprinting, or you can say for DNA fingerprinting, biotechnology is important. Okay, so we are studying this healthcare biotechnology. Healthcare biotechnology means when the biotechnology is useful in medical field. Okay, for example, for the preparation of for the process of organ transport, for the preparation of medicine, for the preparation of gene markers. Okay, during DNA fingerprinting, wherever the biotechnology is utilized in medical field, it is called as healthcare biotechnology. Okay, now human insulin. Here in under healthcare biotechnology, we have to cover two topics. One is human insulin and another one is vaccine. Okay, separate question can also be asked on human insulin and vaccine. Okay, now see what is insulin. First of all, I'll tell you what is insulin. See, insulin is a hormone. You know this. Insulin is nothing but it is a hormone. It is secreted by beta cells. Where these beta cells are present? Beta cells, suppose this is pancreas, no? Inside the pancreas, islets of Langerhans are there. Okay, and these islets of Langerhans, inside this islets of Langerhans, beta cells are there, and these beta cells results into the formation of insulin in our body. Again, I'm repeating what we are studying. Now we have started with human insulin. Human insulin, where this insulin is produced actually inside the pancreas. Exactly where inside the pancreas? Inside the pancreas, islets of Langerhans are there. Inside the islets of Langerhans, beta cells are there, and these beta cells are responsible for the production of hormone, that is insulin. Clear to you where insulin is produced is? Okay, now what is the function of insulin? What the insulin is exactly doing in our body? See, this insulin, no, insulin is responsible for the absorption of glucose. Whatever we are eating, it is getting converted into glucose. So what this insulin is doing? Insulin, when secreted by beta cells, it absorbs the glucose. Whatever extra amount of glucose is there in the blood, it absorbs the glucose from the bloodstream. Okay, and how it is absorbing? Actually, what this insulin is doing, actually it is a hormone. No, it is activating or it is allowing the body cells, our body cells, to absorb the glucose. Okay, from the blood. And when the glucose is absorbed, the glucose level in the blood is maintained. I'll explain you with the help of diagram. Suppose this is bloodstream. Okay, these are vessels, and blood is now whatever food we have taken, it is getting converted into glucose. Okay, now this glucose will be there in the blood. Okay, now what happens? Excess amount of glucose should not be there in the blood. So what this insulin is doing, which is secreted by beta cells, this insulin allows the body cells, whatever the body cells are present over here, it allows the body cell to absorb the glucose. Okay, for their nourishment they need. No, cells require this glucose for their nourishment. Okay, or to get energized. Okay, so what this insulin is doing, insulin is allowing the blood cells to absorb the excess amount of glucose from the bloodstream, and because of this the cells becomes energized or they get nourished. Are you getting this? Okay, again I'll repeat, we are studying applications of biotechnology. In this, first we are studying healthcare biotechnology. In healthcare biotechnology means the biotechnology when is useful in medical field, when we are utilizing or using biotechnology in medical field, that is called as healthcare biotechnology. Under healthcare biotechnology we are studying first point, that is human insulin. What is human insulin? Where it is secreted? Inside the pancreas. Inside the pancreas, islets of Langerhans are there. Islets of Langerhans contains beta cells, and these beta cells releases or it produces hormone called as insulin. Okay, so this is clear to you where exactly insulin is produced in our body. Okay, now what is the function of insulin? Whatever the food we are taking, it is naturally getting converted into glucose. This is flowing or it is present in the bloodstream. Okay, now what happens? It is not good that glucose level should not get increase in the blood. So what this insulin is doing, insulin is allowing the body cells, whatever the body cells are present here, it is allowing the body cells to absorb this glucose from the bloodstream. Insulin is allowing this body cells to absorb the glucose so that they get energized or they get nourished. Okay, now this is the function of insulin. So here in this slide we have completed what is healthcare biotechnology. Technology when helpful in medical field, it is called as healthcare biotechnology. Here we are covering human insulin. Human insulin, where insulin is secreted in the pancreas. In the pancreas, islets of Langerhans are there. Islets of Langerhans contains beta cells, and beta cell secretes insulin. What is the function of insulin? Insulin helps in the absorption of glucose. How it is helping in absorption of glucose from the bloodstream? How it is helping? It is allowing the body cells, whatever the cells are there, it is allowing the body cells to absorb the glucose from the bloodstream. Why it is allowing the blood cells to absorb the glucose from the bloodstream? So that the cells get nourished or cells get energy and the glucose level will be maintained in the blood. Okay, now, but see what happens here. Few peoples are suffering from one disease called as diabetes mellitus. You are well known about this disease, diabetes mellitus. What happens in this disease? Insulin is not at all secreted. Okay, now see, insulin is not secreted means cells do not absorb the glucose. Who is motivating the cells to absorb the glucose? Naturally, insulin. If insulin is not secreted by the cells, glucose will not be absorbed. If glucose is not be absorbed, it will be there in the bloodstream and it is not at all good, and the glucose will be lost through urine. Are you getting this? Suppose this is bloodstream. Okay, glucose is there too much. When we had when we have the food, glucose will be there, food will get converted into glucose. If insulin is not getting secreted, okay, nobody will be there to tell or to allow the body cells to absorb this glucose. So naturally the body cells will not allow the glucose, and glucose level will be increased in the bloodstream, and naturally this glucose will be lost through urine, and the cells will not get nourished or the cells will not get energized. Okay, now how insulin are produced? Traditionally also in olden days also we are producing insulin, but what was the way how they are producing insulin? Insulin is extracted from the cattles. Okay, now species are different, we are human beings, and insulin has been extracted from the cattles, and top of that, because of the production, for the production of insulin, many cattles were killed. Are you getting this? In olden days, insulin is extracted from the kettles. Okay, quite different. Generally, horses are used for this. Okay, and cattles are different species, and we people are different species. Okay, and top of that, what we are doing? We are killing the cattles for getting the insulin. So, when scientist was there, name of the scientist was Hakura Ital. Ital, wherever the word Ital is coming, it means co-worker. Okay, Hakura in the year 1977, he produced insulin by using rDNA technology. rDNA means recombinant DNA technology. He produces insulin. Okay, and they found out that insulin is a protein. He was the first to tell that insulin is a protein, and it is chemically. He found out the structure of insulin also. He stated that insulin is made up of two chains. Two polypeptide chain. Protein means naturally it is made up of protein. This is first chain, and this is according to Hakura and Ital. This insulin is made up of two types of chain. First chain is called as A chain, and another chain is called as B chain. Okay, these are the chains of polypeptide. Means it is made up of many. Protein means it is made up of many amino acid. Okay, and he only explained that these two chains are joined together with the help of disulfide bond. So in Hakura and Ital, he produces insulin by rDNA technology. He was the first person to tell us that insulin is nothing but protein, and he was the first person to describe the structure of protein, that this insulin is made up of two chains, A chain and A polypeptide chain and B polypeptide chain, and he only explained that these two chains are joined together by disulfide bond. In short, Hakura described the structure of insulin. Okay, now the structure of insulin was clear. Then another scientist was there, that is Gilbert and Vinokomarov. Gilbert and Vinokomarov used the sequence of gene. Now see, genes are clear. Insulin structure was clear to you. So these two scientists know, they had described the structure, they have identified the structure sequence of gene which is responsible for the structure of insulin in rDNA technology. See, in rDNA technology, we need the sequence of gene. Okay, in rDNA technology, we need the sequence of gene which is responsible for production of insulin. So that sequence of gene is identified or used by the scientist Gilbert and Vinokomarov.